we're going to be talking today about learning how to add fractions with different denominators. We're going to use a manipulative called fraction strips. You can get these printed out and you can have them in front of you physically, or you can do what we're going to do today on the screen and use an online manipulative. There are lots of them. This one is from Toy Theater, and you just find their free online manipulative, and you can easily choose what you want to put up there in your fraction strip lines. You can mix and match or just fill it all with the same. It's pretty easy. It doesn't take too long to get the hang of it. So let's say we're going to add 1/2, 1/2 plus 1/4. We'll start with our 1 whole on the side over here with our fraction strips. Next, we're going to go ahead and put 1/2, and we'll put a 1/4. Those do not add up to 1, and we can't add 1/2 and 1/4 when they have different denominators. One has 4, one has 2. We're going to need to find a common denominator. So a quick and easy way we've done that before is to write over here, we'll write 2, we'll write 4, and we'll write the multiples of these two numbers. So for 2, we have 2, we have 4, we would go on and say 6, 8, etc. And then we'd go over here, we'd have 4, we'd have 8, but obviously we don't need to do that since we've already found that the common denominator of both of these is 4. So a really good way to use fraction strips to do this is to go ahead and find your common denominator and use multiples of that underneath the multiple you're converting. So we're going to put 1/4 inch strips since we're converting to the denominator of 4, and we can see that 1/2 is the same as 2 1/4 or 2/4. Then of course we already know 1/4 is the same as 1/4, but we can see with this that we convert the 2 in 1/2 to a 4, and it would turn into 2/4, which we can add to say 2/4 plus 1/4 equals 1, 2, 3/4. So we can go back over here and we can write our answer. 3/4. And that's an easy way to use fraction strips. We'll do one more quick example so that you can see it again. I have to erase through all of these because this online whiteboard is a little finicky, but that's okay. Okay. We will just make a little line and start one down here. Okay, for our next problem, let's say we're going to do, how about 1/2 plus 2/5. We can go ahead and remove these from down here. We'll start. We have 1/2, so we'll put our 1/2 up there. And 2/5. 1, 2. Once again, this does not add up to a whole. You can see there's an empty space left. So we're going to need to convert and find the common denominator. So let's go ahead over here and write our 2 and our 5. So our multiples of 2 would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then we'll finish with 12. And we'll do our multiples 5. We have 5, 10, 15. You could keep going, but we've already found our common multiple, which is 10. That means we're going to go over here. We're going to grab our 1/10 strips. We're going to find out how many tenths fit in 1/2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5/10. And then we will do the same with our 1/5. 2, 3, 4. So 1/2 converts to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenths. 2/5 converts to 1, 2, 3, 4 tenths. 1/2 plus 2/5 would equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tenths. We'll say right down here equals 9 tenths. Oops. Little funny 0. Maybe we'll put a smiley face in it. A crooked face. And that is how you use fraction strips. Just as easy to use these physically as it is to use them online. So use whichever option works best for you. Thanks.